Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Spyderco Mantra 3 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get this started and just have a quick overlook to this really interesting knife by Spyderco. This is the Mantra 3. It's a compression lock with a composite handle, carbon fiber and G10. So there's just like a very thin layer of carbon fiber going on here, and mostly G10 right underneath. Of course, compression lock from Spyderco. This is made in the Taichung factory in Taiwan. It's employing S30V. So very good steel. It's gonna run you around $170. It's a flipper, and it has this is not the stock clip, it's just like a wireframe clip that this guy comes with, which is fully reversible. So lefties are gonna be super happy about this because you can just swap this guy over here and you're just gonna have to use your thumb instead of your index finger to disengage the compression lock right over here. Very compact design and size. This is gonna be 7.2 inch long overall with a 3.25 inch long cutting edge and a handle of 4.2 inches overall in length. So not that big. It's pretty lightweight. In fact, the construction is just super simple, and it's gonna be like a fantastic EDC carry because this guy is gonna weigh in at 2.87 ounces. So that's pretty much good to go. Very thin stock, full flat grind, nice. You see these the marks of the belt. They give a nice look to the knife. It has a very good ergos, no hot spots basically. I love this thumb ramp, and also the action is not too bad. You can flick it open like that. You can of course like Spidey flick it. So it has also like a fidget factor embedded with it, and you can't pretty much go wrong with this guy. It's very compact. There's a couple of liners which are stainless steel on the inside. Blade looks pretty centered, and the action is very interesting. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.